Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remake videos using APOB.AI. So you're just going to select the video section, and then you're going to either select a content or click to upload a video. I'm going to upload a video here of just a person dancing. Press save. And then here for the reference image, I'm just going to upload an image of as well. Press save. And then select generate. You'll need 26 credits. Oh, how come I don't have enough? I have enough. Well, I'm supposed to have enough. I have 80, so I don't know what's the deal. So let's try to trim that. Okay, I don't know why it's not working, but basically you're just going to generate that and it's going to remake the video like so. Let me just refresh it and see. I still have 80, so I don't know what's going on. I basically, again, I just used revideo, click to upload content, selected this video over here, press save, and then generate. Oh, sorry. Is it selected content? No, you can upload your own image here. So, oop. I'm just gonna press save and okay. Well, I should have enough credits, but that's how you can make videos here. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.